say, from the top, make it drop. Starting to go crazy. She's a sport. Oh! Oh! Are you bored out of your mind? Is quarantine starting to get to you? Your family members driving you a little bit insane? Have you counted all the little dots on your ceiling? Are you spending so much time with your dog that you're starting to act like them? Have you tried reading a book or working out? Maybe picking up a new hobby, but just none of it does it for you? I have a solution for you. HBO Max. HBO Max is where HBO's fearless, groundbreaking programming meets an iconic collection of beloved entertainment under the Warner Media umbrella. We got series, franchises, and fan favorites from yesterday, today, and across all genres. HBO Max, where HBO meets so much more. Back to you, Adeline. Okay. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Adeline Moore, and today I'm going to be doing a Euphoria makeup tutorial. Basically all of the looks that I didn't do last year. So I was looking back at my Snap memories, and 1 year ago today, I did my Euphoria makeup tutorial with Maddy, and I went to the fucking fair. I was so extra. You guys know I'm a ride or die. I love Euphoria. I'm about to make a fan account if I have some extra time on my hands. Like, I love the cinematography, the makeup, the storyline, everything about it. I'm so honored to say that today's video is sponsored by HBO Max, and you guys can binge Euphoria with me with your free trial. She's free, you might as well do it. HBO Max has so many series like Euphoria for you to binge, and they're hooking it up. You guys can get a 7-day free trial with the link in the description. They have a recommended by humans feature, so not by algorithms or robots or anything. You could download top titles on your devices to go. They have a kid experience, so you could change the settings so that your kids aren't watching anything crazy. Between you and me, HBO has the best series and the best things to watch. And I just convinced my friend Mai to start watching Euphoria, and she loves it. But yeah, I binge watched Euphoria from the beginning, and I finished it all last night at like 6 in the morning, and it was the best decision that I've ever made. I have zero regrets. So I'm feeling inspired. I want to recreate some of the looks that I didn't do last year. There's just something about like talking to the camera, putting on makeup that's just like relaxing and de-stressing. So let's go ahead and get into it. First of all, ew. Second of all, ew. Iconic Maddy quote. So I want to recreate the look where she's in that hallway. She has this purple outfit on. It's kind of like purple eyeshadow with an orange eyeliner. And I want to do a couple looks today, so I'm just gonna do the face makeup and keep that the same, but switch up the eyes. But hey, how are you guys? I haven't had a fully sit down, lights, camera, action, and makeup tutorial in so long. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long. All right, I'm gonna start off with primer and foundation. I'm using a bunch of new makeup. This feels like the good old days. On my bullshit, trying new makeup, talking about whatever the f I want. But dude, I hope you're doing well. I don't know if it's like this for everyone, but at least for me, life has been like a roller coaster this year. Like, I'll have so many highs. I'll feel like, oh my god, this year is so great. I'm working on my mental health. She's working out. She's doing so fine. And then there's days where I do absolutely nothing. Wonder what the point of life is. Like, what is the point of me living right now? Like, nothing is going according to plan. But one thing that just makes me feel a lot better about myself is just reminding myself, Adeline, you are not your best self in the middle of a pandemic. Adeline, you're allowed to have off days. You're allowed to watch HBO Max on your off days and binge watch a whole season of Euphoria. No, but I at least feel productive when I actually watch a TV show, when I at least watch like a series. But yeah, I feel like life is up and down and 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 up and down. Life really said, from the top, make it drop. That's your mental health. Face makeup is super light, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. People have been saying I've been going a little overboard with my blush, but am I going overboard with my blush, or are you just going underboard with your blush? I don't know. I feel like ever since I've been following Addison Rae, I've been obsessed with blush. It just makes your face look more alive. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit and underneath my lip. Ooh. But life-wise, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. Again, there's highs and lows. I'm just so grateful to have my girlfriends. Over this past year, I realized the importance of girlfriends because men are so unreliable. Which, speaking of, I'm not speaking to any men right now because you know what? None of them are cool enough to talk to me. That's just it. But damn, okay, that's the face makeup. I feel like it's good because it's all liquid. It's very light, like, because they're supposed to be in high school, but like, their makeup is crazy, but their face makeup is insane. Same with their eyebrows. I feel like she just puts on, she doesn't even fill it. She just puts on a brow gel, woo, and calls it a day. But yeah, I feel like I've grown up a lot over this past year, and I feel like the universe speaks to you and people like attract like, and I feel like I used to try and force it and like go on the dating apps and like try and talk to guys, try and go on dates. But I feel like I'm at a point where I just like don't really give a fuck. black anymore. Now is the fun part. I'm going to be taking my purple. I'm gonna put it all over the lid and the crease. But I've been looking good. I've been feeling nice. Working on my aura. Cleaning up. Working overtime. You've been getting boring. So skirt. I definitely at one point was boy crazy, and boys were all that I talked about for like a couple months. But I think I'm at a point where I'm just like used to not talking to boys, so I'm just like vibing by myself. I don't know. Like I found other things that fulfill me, like my work, filming vlogs, filming videos, picking up new things. I'm trying to learn French. Est-ce que je peux aller aux toilettes? That's all that I know. Can I go to the washroom? That's all that I remember from French class. But you know, she's out here trying to be bilingual and not bilingual. Why can I say it in my head and not in my mouth? Bilingual. Yeah, so many people ask me, they're like, Adel, do you speak any other languages? And I'm like, no, I'm just dumb. My mom is Filipino and she grew up speaking Tagalog. Tagalog is her first language. And my dad grew up in Canada. He's French Canadian. French is his first language, and they both didn't teach me shit. They're like, we wanted to raise you like a regular Canadian. They were out here knowing 2 languages, not teaching me shit. And now I'm stupid. So thanks a lot, mom and dad. I could have been like, oh yes, I speak Tagalog and French and English. She's smart. But no, I'm dumb. I barely speak English. I'm gonna spray this angle brush so that it picks up more product. And now I use this orange. Oh yeah, mom and dad, I got beef with you. I don't know if you're watching this video. I don't know if they watch my videos anymore. They used to. But then I started uploading daily on my vlog channel. I think they started giving up. But mom and dad, I'm still upset. Now I gotta teach myself. Oh, what do we think about the one eye? Okay, what else? I'm selling my house. I don't know if you guys follow my vlog channel, but my whole yellow room, she's not yellow anymore, and that's why I'm filming on this white backdrop. She's gray, and it's so sad. Like, I showed my friends and they're like, Adeline, it doesn't even look like you live there anymore. But my real estate agent was like, yeah, Adeline, you're not gonna sell your house if there's a huge yellow room in it. So I'm in the process of moving. And I know a lot of you guys are probably like, Adeline, you've only been in your house for 2 years. Why are you moving? And I think it's mostly because like I've talked to so many people about this. Like even my friend Sierra, she recently gone through a breakup and she moved, and she said that she was so much happier just starting over and like having a brand new space. She was actually the one that kind of convinced me. But right now I'm pretty far out of the city and I would love to be closer to the city. Done the eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure Maddy has lashes on, so I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara before I put on my lashes, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I would love to just like go to a coffee shop. You know, the coffee shop doesn't allow dogs inside, so I have to tie Blue outside. I get my coffee and I come back and there's another dog tied to the thing. The owner goes, hi, is that your dog? I'm like, yes. They're like, what a cute dog. Our dogs are getting along so well together. I'm like, oh my God, crazy. Well, I'm on my way to the dog park. Do you want to come? They say yes. We're on our way to the dog park. I accidentally spilled my coffee on them. I'm like, oh my God, sorry. They're like, no worries. We clean it up. They're like a Gemini or a Libra, so they like go with the flow, you know what I mean? They get along with Aquarius. We go to the dog park. The dogs are all sniffing the shirt that had the coffee on it. We laugh about it. We become best friends. You know, like that doesn't happen out here in the country. I have literally no friends out here. Do you know what my morning routine is? Do you know what I do every day? I wake up, I have my breakfast, either meal prep or it's Tim's. Blue will have breakfast. I hop on a call with my assistant. We check the emails. I film a vlog or do a brand deal, whatever I need to do. And the rest of the day, I'm bored. My friends are always working, or a lot of my friends are in different places, and I can't even go visit them. You know what? I don't even think I'm gonna use like lashes. Mascara be looking kind of good right now. Okay, now I'm gonna do lips. She has kind of like a mauve lip. It's a little bit glossy. But yeah, I don't know about you guys, but this year, especially this past 3 months, have just taught me the importance of like hanging out with your friends in real life, like human interaction in real life. At first I thought, oh no, like I could work from home. I could just do YouTube at home. I'll be good. But I feel myself starting to go crazy, and I talk to my life coach about this very much, very frequently. But yeah, moment of gratitude. But yeah, moment of gratitude for being able to spend time with your friends and family in real life. We always took advantage of it until this year. Woo! All right, her lips aren't too glossy, so I'm just gonna add a little bit to the center, and then dab. Everything reminds me of him. I don't know if your brain is a scramble, but I never said that. We don't miss anyone around here. Shoot! I just realized I have a boo pimple here this whole time. I hate these. They're not even satisfying to pop. She's just like there, out in the open, distracting from the main meal. Oh shoot, I think that was a little bit too light. Oh well. You know what? I take it back. I want to put on lashes. I love this look. Oh, by the way, me and my friend Alex went thrift shopping yesterday, and I forgot how fun it was. Thrift shopping is kind of like manhunting. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, you can always go to the mall and just get something nice, and you're guaranteed to get something nice and trendy, but at the thrift store, you have to earn it. You have to deserve it. You have to go through all of the bad ones to find that one good pair of jeans. And thrift shopping is so much cheaper. Like, whenever I go thrift shopping, I'm like, why do I even go to normal stores? Like, why do I even buy stuff from normal stores? When thrift stores have a way cooler, more unique items, it's more sustainable, better for the environment, cheaper, you get cooler pieces. It's just like a little bit harder to find cool stuff, but you will find cool stuff. Thrift shopping is like a sport. Who can find the best stuff? Oh, I found better stuff last time. Oh, this time I found better stuff at this store. I recommend this store because this store is better. She starts with all the good stuff, but she's more expensive. She's a sport. You know, not everyone can do it. Not everyone has the patience. Oh, that made such a big difference. Guilty, innocent. Da, 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 da. I was listening to the Euphoria soundtrack before this to get myself in the mood. I actually went on Spotify and I searched Maddy Euphoria vibes, and there was a playlist and it's like actually really good. It's like bad energy songs, like Rihanna, Euphoria soundtrack. Oh my god. Why did I think it was good with just mascara? Oh, here's the other one. She landed on the tarmac. I hate doing this side. My nose always gets in the way. Oh, I feel like I can't even move my eyes. I feel like I have Botox on right now. Oh my god, my eyelash look kind of looks like a number 7. I was running through the 7 with my woes. You know how that go. You know how that go. Oh my. I feel like, ooh, you need me. Oh, okay. But yeah, speaking of the thrift stores, I feel like you can't go to the thrift store without anything in mind. You need to go to the thrift store. You need to have a Pinterest board before you go to the thrift store. That's the key. You need to like search up fall 2020 outfits. You need to pin your favorite outfits, and you need to find those like key pieces in the thrift store, or else, girl, you're lost. You're lost. You need a guide map. It's like you're Dora the Explorer in this and you need your map. If you wanna be my baby, no, I'm gonna drive you mad. This is the finished makeup.
I don't know if your brain is all scrambled, but I never said that.
You know what? I was thinking of doing a couple looks, but I'm feeling kind of lazy. I kind of want to watch Euphoria now. And I'm hungry. Let's make some popcorn. Here we go. Let's do the outro. This is short people problems. Never reach anything. Ah, that popcorn is slipping. 2 minutes is the golden time. A little bit of salt and vinegar. Oh, she's ready. She said ready. You ready? We're ready. And a root beer. Still don't know my name. I'm actually so excited. Here we go. Guys, watch this. Ready? Oh! That was my first try too. Oh! But I got the mood lighting on. I got the Euphoria light. We're watching Euphoria right now on HBO Max. I just wanted to say again, huge thank you to HBO Max for sponsoring today's video. This is your final reminder that HBO has this thing where you get a 7-day free trial, so you might as well try it. It's free, and we can binge watch Euphoria, all the shows together, all the series together. But yeah, huge thank you to HBO Max. Thank you guys so much for working with me. Genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, I can't believe that you want to work with me. I love you so much, and it was an honor to work with you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every Sunday. Love you guys. Bye. You want a piece of popcorn? Paw. Here you go. Alright, bye.